Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the doubt topics which you are discussing over the U2 affair. The U2 affair is an incident. The U2 incident was a confrontation between United States and Soviet Union that began with the shooting down of a US U2 reconnaissance plane over the Soviet Union in 1960 that caused the collapse of Summit Conference in Paris. A Summit Conference was going to be a peace conference over both the parties, United States and USSR. So United States, the Soviet Union and United Kingdom and France were the nations signing the summit. But unfortunately, because of this U2 plane which was disclosed, the spy plane which was sent by America as doubted by Russia, because of this the summit conference was cancelled. So now United States aircraft U2 was shot down on May 1st 1960 over the region of USSR. The US pilot Francis Gary Powers was captured while on a reconnaissance flight on May 7th 1960. Nikita Khrushchev revealed the Powers had parachuted to safety and was alive and well in Moscow and had testified that he had taken off from Peshawar. The U2 incident confrontation between United States and Soviet Union began with the shooting down of a US U2 reconnaissance plane over the Soviet Union, and that caused the collapse of the summit conference in Paris between United States and Soviet Union, United Kingdom and France. On May 5th, 1960, the Soviet Premier Nikita Khrushchev told the Supreme Soviet of the USSR that an American spy plane had been shot down on May 1st and referring to the flight aggressive act by United States. Okay, so it was over this issue that the United States plane had gone over the spy network area, but then also it was not admitting at the end. On May 7th, revealed the pilot of plane Francis Gary Powers had parachuted to safety, was alive and well in Moscow, and had testified that he had taken off from Peshawar in Pakistan, and the mission was flying across the Soviet Union over the Aral Sea via the region, and thus taking the intelligence information route over Soviet Union. So Soviet territory, the Soviet Union refused to accept that the US government had no knowledge of the flight, and on May 13th sent protest notes to Turkey, Pakistan and Norway, which in turn protested to the United States seeking assurance that no US aircraft would be allowed to use their territories for unauthorized purposes. On May 16th in Paris, Khrushchev declared that Soviet Union could not take part in the summit and talks unless the US government immediately stopped flights over Soviet territory, apologized for those already made, and punish the person responsible. The response of the press, it is told, as it is mentioned in history, that the conference was withheld. Thus, Francis Gary Powers was tried and imprisoned for 10 years confinement, but he was exchanged for the Soviet spy network Rudolf Abel on February 10th, 1962, as it is told. Now, what is detente? That is, detente you had although asked me in the previous class. Detente is a French word meaning release from attention, is the name given to a period improved relation between United States and Soviet Union that began tentatively in 1971 and took decisive form by President Richard M. Now, the main example of detente was during the Cold War. In 1970s, United States and Soviet Union improved relations, both signed several treaties and made less amount of nuclear weapons each country had. So, they wanted to give a pause to their relation so that they can recover from the situation. So the detente took several forms, including increased discussions and also arms control. Okay, so these are the certain factors: nuclear fears, domestic issue, changes of the leadership, policy programs, and all. These were on the basis of which several factors detente was required at that situation. Okay. So till this much is the topic. These topics I wanted to discuss more because Cold War we have already discussed, lot of revisions we had done, but these are the two topics which you wanted detailed analysis. Today I have given you a study material these topics, so please see to it. Okay, thank you students.